How to turn $500 into $10,000 without being a math whiz, and even if you're super busy, by investing in stocks and other online financial assets. Can you imagine paying for your next family's vacation simply by putting together an investment portfolio that is unique to you and your family's risk tolerance and financial situation? Crazy? I don't think so. In fact, I did just that while I was on maternity leave. My name is Kiana Danial. I'm the founder of the Invest Diva movement. I'm a 3-time published author, professor of wealth management at universities in New York and in Tokyo. You've probably heard of me or seen me on TV and media like Forbes, Time Magazine, Fox Business, CNN, and a lot more. And I was named the personal investment expert of the years 2018 and 2019. So when it comes to personal investment management, I'm your go-to gal, and I have a brand new YouTube channel where I'm going to take your hand and teach you step by step how to make your money work for you. Even if you're not a math whiz, even if you're super busy with life and kids, and even if you don't have a ton of extra cash to risk. So with that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell button because I create new videos every single day, so you don't want to miss out on the Invest Diva movement. So go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell so you get notifications, and I cannot wait to see you on my new channel.